Are you tired of unnecessary downtime or delays from legacy print devices? At Arrowhead Corporation, we help business leaders accelerate their supply chain through enterprise printing, RFID, and mobility solutions with our hardware partner, Zebra Technologies. The new Zebra ZD411 and premium ZD611 desktop printers are the latest rugged innovation for doing more with less. With a compact 2-inch exterior and future-ready technologies to take printing to entirely new levels. The ZD411 is equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth out of the box. Plus, it includes a battery pack and built-in security for true print from anywhere capabilities. The Print DNA software suite also simplifies deployment, management, and more, giving you a rugged powerhouse printer with excellent print quality and the smallest of footprints. To learn more, give Arrowhead a call today.